My traveling family, welcome to another video. Today we are in the bus park of Spanish Town, St. Catherine. And my people, I'm gonna be taking the public transportation today to Linstead for the first time as a YouTuber, and I'm gonna be vlogging bits and pieces of the journey. I'm gonna be asking a few of my people to join with me as I go. We're going to BOGWALK. You can see how the street are taken. So these are the buses. I'm not too sure which one of them I'm gonna be taking, but I'll be asking question which of these buses going to BOGWALK. Don't know which one of them. If I this one, I want one of them big size one. I don't want one of the little small one. So stay tuned, my people, as we journey to BOGWALK. Let's go.
Ask to read my Bible. Psalms carry me on my journey. So no wicked shall dissolve me. YouTube no Rastafari I praise. Rock stop, start a die. Stop, start a die. Take it on up for me. His hunger prayer can cause the wicked heart to slunder.
Oh, yummy.
Search them heart no child. Search them soul no cha-cha. YouTube your thing turn up, and your quality so nice. Me I wonder if a DJ Tally or DJ Amber. Me never left out you man try your best. One love.
Big up yourself, CD man. Here is in the street selling CD.
Alright.
Big hustler. Alright, and the people who want to hear him. Stay in town and not play it now. Time to out my people. Yeah man. What's ya? I go to Linstead. Stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on. Spanish Town. So now my people, I'm inside of the bus and it is started to load now. So when the driver now go move until all seat is taken. So stay tuned and look out for that. So we're leaving out of the bus park now, my people. We're gonna be take on the road. Beckford say work and believe. He's right there.
Yeah, mommy, water.
So on a Saturday, my people, that's whole place jam up all over, traffic all over. So we're just take a look at time and blow through. So that's one. Stay tuned and watch how we're gonna take on the road today. BOGWALK, we're coming. The market here in Spanish Town too. Take time at stroll through. That's how you go when you take the public transportation. You take a little time, scroll through. Yeah. Show you a little bit of Spanish Town. The market area.
5,000. Di male todo eso.
I'll show you.
Bulan.
What about you? Which one? So you go by the public transportation. We have to.
Love that. Love that yun. Wala ba kasi? Wala ba kasi? Just pick up the seat lang tapos over.
Big up Bubble Love, my friend. Alright, go.
Bulan, still with it.
What's up with that?
We're inside of the garden, my people. Inside of the garden. Or most people say River Road. BOGWALK side. Yeah, so we are traveling. Right now it's flat rate. Flat rate. Just see
Let's go.
if somebody wants to have a, we say the charter in your school children and all them things. It's such some of the things that you do.
Federal, school, beach trip. etc.
So tell me people they can reach you.
You can contact me at 562-8331.
Some people hear that I'm Steve. How much is on the other side, Steve?
Nearly 22 years now.
That means I will by experience.
Only by experience.
How much accident do you?
We don't get done yet.
Alright. Big up yourself, Jay. Some of the people there, yeah. Big up yourself, Jay. Alright, see there. Some of the people are now in BOGWALK. See there. BOGWALK town, never bless there again. Yeah. So my people, there you have it. My shirt for my True Juice 5K walk is here. So my people, look out for Ever Bless on the finishing line when I'll be walking through the line first to collect the first prize. Yeah man, so my people just stay tuned for that. And Ever Bless are going in white. Yeah. So stay tuned tomorrow. Fathers. Are we talking about Father's Day? Are we talking about the branch that is about to held on Father's Day? Some more people stay tuned. Information about Father's Day is coming. My people, and today we are with the PRO for this here. Welcome to Ever Bless Travels.
This is paparazzi every time.
Yeah.
Queen Leah
Yeah.
is definitely here. I'm glad to grace the cameras of Ever Bless
Travels.
Travels.
Yes.
Big up yourself, Ever Bless Travels.
Yes.
I know tomorrow you'll be at the 5K,
Yes.
but you took the liberty to really spend some time with me this afternoon to let them know that comes next Sunday, when it's Father's Day, this ground will be transformed to shades of blue. We will be awarding 7 or probably 12 fathers, I think. I know my dad is in.
Just hoping that Ever Bless is one. Yes.
Well, as he said, I have doctors. I'm going to keep that as a surprise because guess what? It's going to be a grand time for you to come out. The tickets are only 1,000 and we go on to another tier, which is 2,500. Then we go up to the bowl, the seafood bowl, that will be 5,500.
Sure.
And of course, that area will be dubbed the VVIP.
Yes.
Rolling with the top notch.
Chaja.
Rolling with the celebrities.
Yeah.
Rolling with the profile people. So, as you know, Reggae Jamaica Village is the place to be come Sunday. And you will learn also about our early settings that kick off last week. That was the all-you-can-eat buffet. And I know it is only 2,500.
Yes.
And you eat all you can eat within a particular timing, of course.
And as a foodie?
As a foodie.
Me would have to do that.
Of course, because after you done eat, you just come over to the shades of blue.
So
we have a lot of entertainment artists, and of course a fashion show.
Yes.
It's too good to be true.
Yes.
And you know the tickets will be available tomorrow and onwards at the service station. That's King Landing service station on the bypass. You'll also get it as well in the deli, and of course right on this grounds and at Spectacular Vision and Repair South Parade Plaza.
And all this is gonna be right here in St. Catherine here.
Yes,
and
can I ride this donkey?
And look,
can I ride this donkey Ever Blue? Can I go on a donkey ride right now?
You are
shades of blue, shades of blue,
you are
shades of blue, shades of blue.
And this place is awesomely beautiful. My people, take a good look. Would you want to miss all this beauty here? And we also want to talk about the hotel service.
Yes.
That one is hotel.
Yes. So can I walk you through?
Yes.
You want to start with our entrance bar right here?
Yeah. Take me through. This place is awesomely beautiful.
Oh, you love to walk, Ever Bless.
Yes.
You love to walk. It's like when you walk, you see the real things that nature has to view.
And I imitate that from Jamaica walk by.
Yes.
And you met Jamaica walk by in previous video.
Okay.
Jamaica walk by.
Oh, so now I'm actually probably your preview celebrity. I'll take it for where our security is very up to date.
Yes, yes.
Yes, we are having it here, our tickets booth.
Oh, this is a ticket booth here.
Yeah, but sooner or later, you never can tell. We're thinking about branding. So any company who wants to do branding, probably they could come and speak to management.
Okay, so my people, there you go. So you enter the gate and you have the ticket offices here.
Yes, so it's right off the bypass.
Yes.
It's right as you come from
All
the
right,
stoplight.
just give me a minute. Let me show the gateway. Where? So my people, I'm gonna be just show you. I think the direction as you get in. So there you are. And you can also buy tickets in that area. And that way, my people, is if you're coming from Spanish Town. And that way is if you're coming from Linseed, Orchard, anyway back that side. And you couldn't have missed it. This is. So have you seen the direction, my people? Alright. Easy to find. Come through the stoplight, left turn. And there we are. Alright. You go. And we have security. Yeah, man. And there we go. We have several ticket offices or ticket booths where you get your tickets when you enter any one of these events. Showing you the beauty of this place. And we're also showing you the beauty of the PRO of this place. That's nice.
Awesome.
Yes. So
then you come all the way.
I also want you to watch out for guests, and I don't want to catch any guests that is here.
No,
so
no,
just look out
I
for
will.
And this is a restaurant.
Yes, it's Nyamins. As its name, stay and nyam.
Oh!
Nyamins.
Nyamin, oh, cha.
Yes. And if you go, you can go inside.
Let's take a quick look.
Yes.
So this is a holding area, and this is a dining area. And what we do, we left there. And so you come here and you have a beautiful place, nice settings. Nice settings here. So let me take it on quick. And if you can take your pictures there. Nice here. So showing you the whole setting of this place.
Upstairs is our Molly Hall. Upstairs, we have a Molly Hall.
What is a Molly Hall?
Where you can come and if you're even launching your EP, or if you're having like a small function, you just use that hall. It also has a built-in bar.
Yeah, BOGWALK links are going with itself. So just watch out for the guests in here. I don't want to make sure they're catching the guests.
Yes.
And we have hotel rooms upstairs and downstairs.
Yes.
All right. So just a quick peek. So this is a lobby here.
Yeah, this is our lobby area.
Wow. Like, look out for guests, please.
Hi, Kate. Hi. You busy with that guest?
All right. We just take it quick and fast.
Yeah.
So that is the regular that is
our reception here.
Yes.
Where you come, you have our little small bar.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice.
This is Kate.
Hi. How you
One
doing?
of our hard workers here.
Yes. And she wants. You have some nice cups some nice.
Yes.
I noticed she running away from the camera. And you have it upstairs there.
Yes. Actually, okay. All right.
So you have a nice hallway. Just hope that I guess don't walk out on the camera today. So we have some nice rooms. Nice. Wow. Nice rooms for people. So we're about Marley after doing all this.
It's all about the reggae, baby.
Wow.
Yeah, so when you pass the Bob Marley, you go into another set of platinum rooms.
Okay.
Like,
Can you turn on the light for me?
sure. Should I close the door?
No, just turn the light on. Queen Leia is gonna kill me.
Really?
One love Bob Marley.
Queen Lee is gonna get you in trouble.
Yeah.
Look at the crown.
Yeah.
Look at the crown.
Jaja.
Look at Bob Marley.
That is it, man.
What a setting.
Yeah, nice.
Setting King of Kings.
Yes.
Queens of Queens.
Yes.
Wow.
You go.
You gotta get me in trouble.
No trouble today.
Okay.
With us.
I tell you. And here's another earring.
Wow, this place is
Awesome.
yeah, nice.
Awesome.
So how many of you, my people, know that this is resting right here?
That is why I employ you today.
Yes.
Ever blessed.
Yes.
That is your job.
Yes.
You want me to kill you?
No.
You want me to turn on the light and close the door?
No, Miss Lear.
It's the other way around. Turn.
My people, temptation is a hell of a thing. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Yes. Miss.
Yes, Kay. Yeah. 1 minute. Remember the time it has started. And a 2-5.
So there you have it, my people. All information to Reggae Jamaica Village. And
your oath of shades of blue. And your oath of shades of blue, no other than Queen Leah, just letting you know this afternoon that when you come out, after you eat all you can and you enjoy all you can, because it's Father's Day, you just indulge in her brunch. Shades of Blue is gonna start from 2 to 2. It's a 2-2 train.
2 in the afternoon till 2
2
in the...
p.m. to 2 a.m.
Oh.
It's a 2-2 train.
Shaja.
That's why we have it on no other ground. So all the domino players, all the fathers who just want to watch the ladies model for them, all the fathers who just want to be pampered, come out and be surprised. And I'm starting as low as $1,000 because some of you want to make sure that wifey know that you eat right, so you can just do the cocktail, which is $1,000. Then you move on in the main course, that is $2,500 for the brunch, and then you can indulge further in the VVIP, which is the seafood bowl. Yes, seafood. So all the foodies who want to see the food and eat it, me talk about the lobster, the shrimp, yeah,
that is it.
That the thing, the crab, yes, all of them things there. With the egg and everything, the sauce, you're getting it right. You know your corn, you know the seafood, full fix these days.
Father's Day 2025.
Too good to be true.
That is it.
Yeah, afford for miss.
Yes.
The VVIP, where you just been showered with a lot of things.
Yes.
You will be getting it for $5,500 only.
Yeah, and look at the view, my people. Look at the view that is to the hell.
Them can't last, you know.
Can't last.
Look, them can't last, you know.
About what them people that come from?
Yes.
All right.
And it's just after you pass the stoplight.
Right. And listen.
Just after the T stoplight.
And how curious them people that come from?
Yes.
All right.
Just like that. Watchy and money,
that is.
Treadwest.
Yes.
So when them up off of the toll, them just come right down.
That is it.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, my people.
So ever blessed traveler, I know you will be back, because guess what? I have one more event. Yes, one more event.
Yes.
And if you go to that light post, because you love to walk,
yes.
you will see the
Yes. So my people, I'm going to be... I was directed to another sign here. Let me see. This place is awesome. Reggae Jamaica Village. That's the name of the hotel. Yeah. Whoa. All right. Jaja. All right. So my people, see. Check in all of them here. Yeah. Yeah. June 28th, that you know. Hey, have a blessed travels. We'll be here, no joke. So stay tuned, my people. I will be. And this place is beautiful. Look at that. Again, that is it. I never bless this showcasing. Walking up and down in this place like a real Jamaica walk by. As the video tours. Big up yourself, my brother. Kirky outdoor living. Naomi Sexy. Naomi, aka Sexy Sturdy Ass. Your name is very tall. Jamaica yard style. We just have big up a bunch of YouTubers. Yeah, man. Vibes. Adventures. Chevy Nation vlogs. A certain thing are going on. So many people. Some of them, all of those names that just call, they are YouTubers. Just listen to the names and go across my people and check out those channels. Like, share and subscribe to the page one. That is it, my people. That is how everything come down. And as we say, Reggae Jamaica Village. That's everything I show off, my people. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Father and son lifestyle. Big up your blessing, my brother. That's how everything go on. Beautiful place here in BOGWALK. St. Catherine. That is it.
Danny Breeze is a signature branch. And I love it. Yes. We could not ask for it much different.
Yes.
I said, listen to the selector. Why? Why you say ever blessed trouble? Nah.
Hey. Hello, beautiful people. What's the name of this bar? Shelly B? Wow. Can I take a look inside? Some people. Cha-cha. So when you, if you, wow, nice clean bar. Some people, if you wanna, nice. Yeah, man. What you say you gonna do? A joke here again. A joke here again. Tell him man them we part them if you come drink in liquor them. Because of that's what we do. We showcase beautiful things, people and places. And this is one of them. I just came in from...
You don't like internet business, you know.
Your sister, so what you say about your princess?
I don't like it. Internet business. Never like you.
Cause why? You don't? Oh wow.
Guys, when I'm ready, I can come have a drink with my sister bar near Shani B on the highway.
Yeah.
At Church Road.
Jaja. Yeah. So the beauty, my people.
And customer service is very good. Excellent.
What is excellent about the customer service here?
We rap with the customer, them very good.
Yes.
Any conversation you come and have,
yes.
whether you have stress or problem, come at this bar. We know how to help you.
Tell them, give a direction as to how persons can get to you. You're just in front of...
I'm in front of Reggae
Jamaica Village. Chaja. So what you sell there? You sell feeding here. Some people for all the persons that raise chicken and pig, them sell feed inside here, sir. Chaja. Nice. So, are you play domino? Who play domino and have fun? Your sister run go and hide. So come show you people how they slap, how they play domino, or if you want can do it. Just build up your visor, Now, just shuffle it up for me people, them, please. Yeah, show them how they have fun in here. See it there. You love sit down. You love sit down. You see them people? Yeah, shuffle the gear. So why not come and join her? So and see if she'll give you a 6 now.
Of course.
Alright. So we're walking through. And as we say, I go out in the Everblessed Travels. I do travel vlogs. I travel in and around this country, showing beautiful things, people and places.
Okay.
You are one of them.
Nice meeting you.
Nice. Check out my channel.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, my princess. See you on Sunday.
Okay.
All right. We come there to have fun. We come here and have a drink as well.
Alright.
Share the love. All right, my people. And see, nice and clean. Right under a nice shady tree, no sunshine. All right. So when you check out the channel, you'll say, "Oh, I saw him mother all the time." All right. So it's the business here, my people, coming from Jamaica Reggae Village. Yeah, man. So my people, easy to find. So my princess, let's go that way.
Ask my kin lady if she wants to go on it. Do that store.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, they sell what they sell your cane juice?
Cane and honey.
So you sell cane and what?
Natural juice.
Oh,
Natural.
natural juices.
Cane one not here anymore.
So, oh, you do fresh cane. You do fresh cane juice.
Yeah, why you think that?
Eh? Okay. Okay, that man, that's cool, man. So my people, we're going that way, and that way is to BOGWALK town. So this area is cool and nice. Where else would you want to be? So this is the remains from the cane, the sugar cane that gives you the fresh juice. Yeah. Mary, look at it too.
We can go up there. You know them have one.
Yeah.
That's right there in Linstead, you know.
I know. So this direction here take you to Linstead or take you from Linstead, and that's a stoplight.
They say we should direct.
Okay.
Where is that? Cadus Plaza. Oh, that is in BOGWALK.
Okay.
Cadus Plaza right there.
Okay.
Nice little bar to show.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a pond
Yeah.
They have a little chicken thing, a little arcade going
Yes.
on.
Everyone is trying to survive. Yes.
Yes, this is what Church Road is
Yes.
gifted for.
Yeah.
And you see, we call it the T stoplight.
Yes.
Back in the days, this used to cause a lot of deaths.
Yeah.
So we're glad for the stoplight and we're glad for the pedestrian front.
Yes. For everybody want to go.
But ever blessed travel seems as if I'm a multi-talented girl.
Yes, you are.
I was just your interviewer or interviewee. I that's a barbershop.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Yes.
What's the name of the barbershop? Eh? Ali. Okay.
So, you know, passing through Church Road,
Yes.
you're gonna have 3 barbershops right
Yes.
here. So
Yes.
you know, say the man them ears are up clean and nice.
Yes.
Dora,
Yeah.
can you give travel, ever blessed travel, a little of your sugar? Yes, you see.
Nice.
Hi, this is another bar. Let's pass the bread for you.
What's the name of the barbershop?
Where are you?
What's the name of the barbershop? What's the name of the barbershop? The name of the barbershop?
Yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow you can come because we're gonna have
That is it. Nice. Nice building. That one is very nice. And you have another barbershop there. So we took our time. Music is playing there, but let's have to run away. Yes. So that is it, my people. Nice. So you see the stoplight there? And we're coming this way is from Linstead. Yeah. So that way. Highway is there.
Dora is signature.
Okay.
That's King Solomon's daughter. And this is always a traditional. Come, let us go and say hi to Dora. This is another barbershop. Hello. Hi, Dora. This is a YouTuber. Ever blessed travel.
Pick up yourself, G.
Of course,
Yes.
when you talk about King Solomon and his children, he has gone, but he has passed on a legacy.
Okay.
And of course, this is Dora.
Pick up
I just
yourself.
want to do a quick review of the bar.
It's a bar, okay.
Hot sports bar.
Oh.
It's a YouTuber. He's
Nice.
a YouTuber, but
Come on,
his
people.
talent,
This
his
is
talent
yeah.
ever blessed. So this country is ever blessed.
Yeah.
and go to his YouTube
Yeah, man.
channel. Ever blessed
Yeah.
travel.
This place is festive.
It is.
Yeah, let me.
And that is why it's called Church Road.
Yeah.
And you know, when you come to Church Road, and everybody know the great King Solomon.
Jaja.
You need to know the history. But it's a
But this is where you find
history
Ever Blessed Travels,
of
okay?
food.
You type in the name in your
It's a
YouTube.
history that give you the best jerk pork, the best burnt chicken, the best everything.
Right here?
King Solomon.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And it's still in,
yeah.
in
So his kids continue.
Okay, okay.
So you
Nice.
see some has branch off.
Yeah.
Like Junior, his son has gone into SIP.
Yeah.
He do no meat.
Yeah.
You have others that used to do the jerk, but now they are migrated. But Dora still stick with her
Okay.
sports bar.
Okay. Church Road is festive.
And when you born and bred here like me, you know everybody.
Okay, okay. Where you saying everybody business?
Everybody. Fishburg.
Nobody business get that. Get.
No.
Yeah.
But the thing about it, I mind my own business.
That is it.
'Cause
Drink.
I'm a serial entrepreneur. Look at this lovely place.
Yeah. I have my meal there already
Yes,
some time ago.
Because Fish World
Yeah.
is really doing it. And
Yeah.
as you know, why they call it Church Road, you see? A lot of church. This is the
Okay.
7th day.
And that one is what?
That's the Anglican.
Cha-cha.
And by the time you reach down, you see the New Testament. Blessing, blessing, blessing.
This is it. So that
You
is
want
it.
to rave up to the Sabbath.
Festive place. Nice. Queen Leah is a real promoter of things.
Of course. She make it her business to know everybody business. So you know when you talk about Lorley Promotions, that's her.
Yes.
When you talk about this and that enterprise, that's her.
Okay.
When you talk about BLT, double that. So you'd go BB, LLTT, Trading and Manufacturing Company Limited. That's her.
Oh, yo, man.
Too good to be true.
Cha-cha, yo.
But she comes with no fear, the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Okay.
And she's still to recognize which one is the bad or the ugly.
All right.
She always stick with the good, the better, and the best.
Cha-cha, yeah.
That's where she goes.
Yes.
And now we are into Church Road Square.
Yes.
If I said meet me at the rendezvous, would you know where?
No.
I'm talking right here at Church Road Square.
Okay.
And guess what? The name of this place is also close to the other, Reggae City.
Chucho?
Yes,
Oh.
this is Reggae City.
Yes.
And it's right
And it's a
right
car.
at the crossroad of Church Road.
And you have a car wash as well.
They have many things here as well.
Me smell something, Queen Leah.
Yeah man, a jerky this.
Cha-cha.
This is the real jerky, like a Taliban.
Oh.
All when them tell him them can't stay here.
Wow. So I feel jerk something smell from way up at the top there, by the stoplight?
Yeah, I'm get a touch off of my cousin and my cousin-in-law this.
Oh,
When
it's,
he come, I want a piece of pork, I mean have the money, can do it for time me.
Oh.
Me say, you remember say you're my cousin-in-law?
Okay.
And him have to buy me pork. But you see like how me get rich and me go up on your station yesterday.
Yeah.
And them see from the look of things. The shirt when me I wear.
Yeah.
And the things them when me have around me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Him know say all 2 pounds of pork we can eat later.
Cha-cha.
And the cash have to come out.
So let me
of
take a
one
look
of
at your
them
pan, my
bag.
daddy. Let me take a look at your pan. Let me take a look at
Him
you.
sell off already.
You sell off already?
Him
Wow.
sell off. Him pork always.
You sell off already?
Yeah.
And-
Let me see what you have left.
Okay, you sell off already.
Alright.
All right, you sell off already.
Yeah, him sell
You might
off
do
already.
business.
Him a do good business.
I want to be at that event, the
Yeah,
polo day.
You want to be at that event?
Yeah.
You don't want to be at this. You don't want to be at this bus stop waiting for me. So if I tell you, you wait for me at the bus stop out at Church Road. If me say wait for me at the bus stop at Church Road, I hear some here, sir.
Oh, yo, man, straight out.
Right here, some here,
Where
sir.
they be setting up the tents?
Let
Oh,
take you there.
over there?
You cannot. You want to run now?
Over there?
You feel hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going on a walk. Ever blessed. I'm taking you there.
Okay.
You look like you want to run off.
I want to run
back
out.
on me. Run
Yeah.
back on
Me I run back
Follow
here.
back
Me
on
I run follow back here.
Follow back on me.
Lale.
Yeah, Gina, you want with me tomorrow. That now go happen.
I'm saving my strength for tomorrow.
Yeah, but you want me to done now.
You-
Alright.
I didn't know they concrete this section of road.
Yeah, because I was going to work, you know, and I make sure draw the attention. I don't have the time to wait.
Okay.
And I like it.
Yeah.
Because that's all my government. It's the same thing happened with the step 2. I was going and I start hollering. You don't think I'm going to lose my baby and all of that. If you go to my Instagram, you will see it. I'm quick response. That's why I know that what you are doing, Ever Blessed, will continue
Okay.
to grow from strength to strength.
Yes.
Everything is digital.
Yes.
People go to the digital platform
Yes.
and find out what is happening in the world.
That is it.
What is happening in the world?
The rain is coming.
That is why we are here and we are blessed.
Yes.
Come, this is another church. Let us go in the church to pray for the rain to stop.
Let us go to where the event is going to set up.
The church here. This is the what? The Power of Faith Ministry.
Oh, I didn't know you have one where this is.
I'll be coming back because I want all the men to come to the brunch, Father's Day. After church, straight to the brunch.
So that's that's where they're setting up the tents over there?
Yes, they're setting it up.
Oh, this is
Near
this is
where?
where they're gonna start walking.
No, this is actually
The finish
one
here?
of the entrance. Yes, is the finish is gonna be over here.
Oh,
So what is
I thought it was gonna be at Chuju's.
Alright, you see the bar that you just put on your platform?
Yeah.
This is the owner bar, Annex.
Okay, okay.
So she have a bar that she rents and she have a bar that she owns.
Okay, okay.
Hi Annex, you have to give Queen Lee a drink, no drive truth reason, and I'm financially embarrassed. I want to
This is awesome. Really, really, really love this place. Everything in. They're busy here.
Ever Blessed. He's a YouTuber from Spanish Town. So you just go Ever Blessed Travel. Come.
Big up yourself, General. Yes. My traveling family. What a vibe. What an energy it has been. My people. I'm going to be asking of you, my people, to stay tuned for the continuation of what I present to you. I'll be bringing you the live actions of the Father's Day brunch that we talked about earlier on. My people, stay tuned. Watch what I go on. And this video, my people, will come to an end. Ever Blessed Travelers is saying so long, and I will see you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Ever Blessed Travelers. Just taking your places.